If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. To view or update your company information in QuickBooks Online, click the Settings button in the QuickBooks Online toolbar, and then click the Account and Settings link under the Your Company heading in the menu that appears to open the Account and Settings window. All your company's information appears in the sections at the right side of this page. Click any section to edit its settings or content. After editing or entering any information within a section, click the Save button in the respective section to save the changes. Then click the Done button in the lower right corner of the window to close the window when you are finished. Remember to click the Subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.